How to fix Best Buy app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our next solution, update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Best Buy and then search for it. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Next solution, launch your settings. You'll need to clear cache for the app. Scroll down, head over to the option of General, navigate to the option of iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Best Buy. After you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Best Buy and download it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Best Buy app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.